Do you feel really frustrated and feel like you're not progressing at all with your piano playing? Today, let's check out practice versus playing and see which is the most important. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. So today let's chat about growing at piano. When we grow skills, we love piano more, and when we grow our love for piano, then we grow more skills. So this brings us to the multi-layered quandary of how to practice. Many children are told to go and do your practice, and if they have 3 favorites, then they just focus on those ones, zip through them, tick. Why do children choose just to play through their favorites? This is because this is their connection and the way that they love music, the way that they feel good, the way that they feel like they've really achieved something. They can play a piece that they enjoy and that others may recognize. The problem with only sitting down and playing at the piano is that we're then not actually building our skills. And if we continue not to build our skills, we won't actually achieve harder skills that might then lead to better pieces and higher levels of what we can play. So as well as just playing our pieces through and having enjoyment and connection with music, let's look at a few different ways that we can actually break this time apart and practice at our music. Some of the things that we can do that will help us with practicing is to use some different stickers. By placing a sticker where we're up to, or by using one to put at the next section that we're wanting to approach and conquer, it can help to serve as a reminder for our aims and for our progress. We can move this sticker along as we achieve each of the different sections, and it can feel good to see where we're up to in a very visual way. One of my teachers was talking about spotting the dragons and identifying the challenges through the piece. So by highlighting these or by marking where these challenges are, straight away visually we can see where are the areas that I can work at, what do I need to grow here. And one of the most useful things that I've learned to do is to identify a section or a particular challenge, whether it's a leaps or whether it's getting my arm to swing or releasing through big chords, that whatever that challenge is to really target that specific area and repeat. So sometimes I have students do tally systems. Sometimes I tell myself, okay, I'm going to play that through 3 times or work this section 5 times until I've really repeated enough to feel super comfy. Is this section super comfy, and can I nail it with confidence? One of my university lecturers always had me photocopy music as well, and then she would get highlighters and be marking all over everywhere. So then each week I'd have really clear markings and signals for what I could be working at in my practice time. And then the next week she'd grab a different colored highlighter and mark that everywhere as well. So then I'd have the updated new color of the week. In the end, we want to have some different ways that is appealing to us to help us pull apart and break down the challenges of a piece until we can grow them and grow them to be really easy and achievable. This in turn helps the piece to flow more smoothly, for the harder sections to be seamless and to not stick out in a way that we wouldn't want them to, and can help the overall performance of a piece. But don't forget to have a bit of a play at home and to enjoy your music making, whatever stage that your piece is up to. Lastly, a strategy that I find really useful to use is to have a play through your piece. You might play it once or even twice, have a listen out and be more analytical of what areas you want to stop and target, pop a sticker at it, and then work and drill at that section until you can really nail it amidst the whole piece. Well, happy music making, have a great week, and see you next time. Ta-da!